Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Rogers Xfinity box. And the main reason why you want to factory reset this is because of these apps right here. The Netflix, Disney, if you log into it, it stays logged in. If you return this box, then they have full access to all your accounts. So there's two ways of factory resetting this box. One is through the main menu, and the other way is if you flip the box upside down, there's these two arrows. This is your WPS Wi-Fi button. If you hold this, this will reset the box too. So for the first option on the remote control, we got the three dots. We're going to press that. You're going to get this. Now we're going to head over to settings. Go to the bottom right here, system management. Last option, reset and updates. Head over to the side. You got reset device, and here's factory reset. So we're going to press OK. Continue. So right here, unpair your remote. Okay, so we're going to have to unpair the remote. We're going to press and hold the plus and the return button at the same time. So once we get the light to turn green or we hear a beep, we have to press 981. So let's do this now. Okay, return and plus. I heard the beep, so now we're going to do 981. Now I heard two beeps. Let's go back to factory reset. Continue. Continue. Okay, got a black screen. We're just going to have to wait a few seconds. Okay, the light just came back on the box. There's our loading bar. I'm just going to fast forward this part.
Your language, press up or down for options. English will be the language you see on this device. It could take a few seconds to update with one of two.
And there you guys have it. Now this box is factory reset. And now for the second option, the box has to be unplugged. You're going to unplug the box. You're going to flip the box upside down. Look for the two arrows. You're going to press and hold down on that button. So while holding down that button, now we're going to plug the box back in. Don't let go of the button until the box starts to boot up. So once we get the loading bar, you can release. And there you guys have it. Those are the two ways you can factory reset your Rogers Xfinity box. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.